When I was using my Sony ZV-E1 full frame camera the other day, I noticed a small dot on the top right corner of the picture. And I thought first that there is a grain of dust on the outer of the lens here. So I cleaned the lens with a microfiber cloth, but the dot remained in the image. So I contacted K&F and they sent me this cleaning kit, and I got also this cleaning solution for the sensor from Amazon. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to clean the lens and also the sensor of your camera. So the instructions I'm gonna show you here are for a full frame camera, but they can also apply to APS-C cameras if you get the right tools. So first, I'm gonna show you how you discover the dots on your camera in case it is not clean. You need a white paper, and you put the white paper in front of the lens of the camera, and this way you can see clearly where the impurities are. So here, as you see, there is a dot on the top right corner of the camera picture. So now let me show you the tools I got and how to clean the camera. This is what the kit contains. You have 2 microfiber cloths for the lens, you have 2 swabs for the sensor, and this is a swab holder, and these swabs are for full frame sensors, and this is a kind of documentation, and this is an air blower also to clean the lens and the sensor without touching them. And because the K&F kit comes without a cleaning solution, I got this cleaning solution from Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for all these. So this is, you put it on the swabs here, you put 1 or 2 drops to clean the sensor. So let's clean the camera now. I'm gonna start by cleaning the lens. There are 3 steps to cleaning the lens. The first one is to remove any dust from the outside. And for this, you need a brush. And the swab holder that came with the kit from K&F has a brush here. Just push this in and pull it out. And this is the brush here. So you have to gently clean the lens from the outside so that all the dust be removed completely. So this way, when you remove the lens from the camera, the dust that may have been on the lens will not go into the sensor. And this is an important step. So now all the dust has been removed from the outer part of the lens. Let's close the brush. And now we need to clean the outer part of the lens. Remove the cover. And the first step is to blow some air on the lens here like this. I'm gonna put back the cover the time I open the microfiber cloth. And now you need a microfiber cloth. Open it like this. So I'm gonna remove the protection of the lens. And let's use the microfiber cloth. And with a circular motion, gently clean the lens like this. And that's enough. After you clean the lens, make sure to cover it back. Now we need to clean the lens from the inner side. So we need to remove the lens from the camera. And it's important when you remove the lens from the camera that you turn the camera like this directly so that dust don't fall into the sensor. So I'm gonna remove the lens like this here. So I'm gonna press the button to remove it. And when it is removed, I'm gonna just put the camera like this. So this is the inner part of the lens. And also, before cleaning it with the microfiber cloth, you need to blow some air on it like this. So put it upside down and blow some air on it like this, so to dislodge any dust that might be on it. Now let's use the microfiber cloth to clean it. Clean it a bit here. So now we're sure that the lens is clean. Put it like this, so also to protect it from any dust. Usually at this stage, you need to test the camera, and if the dot disappeared, the cleaning process will be over. But I tested it before and the dot stayed, so I need to clean the sensor. Now to clean the sensor, there are 2 steps. The first step is you need to blow air on the sensor with the air blower and do it like this. So while the camera is down like this, so do not put the camera up, you need to put it down and just blow air on the sensor of the camera inside like this. And that's enough. And also you need to test the camera at this stage. And I've tested it before I've done this video and the dot was still here. So I'm gonna go to the last step, which is cleaning the sensor with the swab and also with the solution. Now I'm gonna prepare the swab for the sensor. So the swab goes here, and this is one of the swabs. So always your environment should be dust-free. I cleaned everything before I started. So let's remove the swab and make sure not to touch the swab from this side here, because this is the side where you're gonna clean the sensor. So just push it in here like this. And now we need to put only one drop on the edge of the swab of this cleaning solution. And now turn the camera and you see the sensor inside. Now you need to swab the sensor like this once. Do not swab it like this, only once, and slowly without pushing on it. So here I'm gonna start doing it. Do it from the extremities to the other extremity. And here you go. Now it should be clean. Now let's put back the lens. Make sure it is in place. And now let's test the camera and see if it was clean. I'm gonna use the same method to test the camera now that it is clean with the white paper. And the result is good. And there are no more dust and no more dots or dirt on the camera lens or in the picture. I hope that this video was useful to you. In case it was, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.